Alright, students, let's look at this question on vectors, which was actually taken from the year 2017 YJC Paper 1 question 3. So you are told that refer to the origin O, the points A and B are such that OA is A and OB is B, just like the common notation that we usually use. The point P on OA such as OP is PA, so this is okay. So I think this is OP, this is O, and this is A. So basically, if you're told that OP is 2 and PA is 3, PA is 3, this is 2. Okay, so that's alright. And the point Q on OB such as OQ is QB, so it's the same thing. So just draw it out to have an idea what is it like. So this is O, it could be like O here lah. Okay, I mean, you can draw on the same diagram, it works as well. So I'm just going to draw the same diagram here. So from here, I know that OQ is 1, OB is 2. So OQ is 1, OB is 2, QB is 2. Given that M is the midpoint of PQ, so midpoint of PQ, state the position vector of M in terms of A and B. Okay, great. So in other words, OP, I think this is okay. OP is given by 2/5 of A. Okay. And then OQ is actually given by 1/3 of B, so that's all right. Now if the midpoint of PQ will just be using a ratio theorem, this will just be half OP plus OQ, so that's not too bad. Here will be half 2/5 A plus 1/3 B lah. Okay. So what you get is actually just this is it. So it's 1/5 A plus 1/6 B. Okay. So then the next thing is you want show that the area of OMP can be written as K A cross B. So that's not too bad. I think the first part OMP, triangle OMP, area of triangle OMP will just be half OM cross with OP lah. So that's not too bad, I think. So OM is given by we got midpoint of PQ is OM, so this is OM, and OP would be OP we found, right? Yeah, so this is just half 1/5 A plus 1/6 B cross with OP, which is actually just 2/5 A lah. Okay, so this case here would just be 1, 2. A cross A is 0 vector, so you won't get anything. So actually, yeah, this will be 0 vector. So what you get is actually 1/6 times 2/5, which is actually just 1/15 B cross A lah. B cross A can be written as A cross B as well. So A cross B is 1/30 A cross B lah. So that's about it. I think this question here is not too bad. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, any question, comments, please text me, okay? See you.